Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. And today, this beauty best friend is bringing you a new episode of Hey Maskin. We're gonna do some eye makeup today that's gonna be loud and in living color, honey. So you know what to do. Grab your drink, grab your beverage. Let's get this party started and let's get our mask on. Let go. All right, so you know, we still can't get right here in these states. So I figure, why not continue to create some beautiful makeup to support us still wearing masks? Because if y'all don't know, beauty besties, I live in Florida, so help me. But I live in Florida, so we still wearing masks around here. So that's what this tutorial is all about. We're gonna create some live, bold, colorful makeup. Because, you know, color is uplifting. It helps to inspire. Starting first with MAC Prep and Prime 24-Hour Eye Base. You know I can't do no eye makeup without it. A little pincheroo on the back of my hand, as per usual. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, primer, lid to brow, and underneath. So that way whatever we do underneath does not transfer and move, okay? And I love applying my primer with a fluffy brush so that way it gets on nice and even and sheer. So this should be like a sheer pair of stockings, not an opaque pair of tights. I'll be playing around with a few of my favorite colors, blue and purple, because you know, purple is regal. And so we're gonna do this. I'm gonna be working across a few eyeshadows, but I'll give you the names as I'm working, okay? In case you wanna make that little shopping list. A light purple called Lightly Sugared out of this ×9 palette. Fluffy brush. We're gonna go soft in the socket, getting the color on. As you can see, my brows are already on. I'm gonna take Dark Room from the Art Library palette and its designer. And right in the center here, we're gonna layer this color on. It's a little bit darker, still frosted. We're pulling it in and out, in and out. And I'm actually gonna just, bring this down this way too. Why not? Which I think, it's pretty, right? For those that have watched my other videos, you guys know I'm obsessed with the color purple. Where do it come from? Partly because I love the color purple of the movie, but I'm a true believer that purple is the color of royalty, it's regal. I don't know about you, but who don't want to be regal, royal, and everything else in between? Run me my crown. Thanks. I'm gonna take a little Sweet Lust and just kind of dust that underneath the arch as well. Now, I'm not gonna leave the Sweet Lust this cool and ashy because I said I wanted to be regal. I didn't say I wanted to be casket ready. Two different things. Go back with a little of the Dark Room, just the tip of the brush. And you sweep the Dark Room on top of the Sweet Lust and it warms it up. Because Sweet Lust has a lot more silver. And as a chocolate boy, that silver can read, like I said, casket ready. Boom! Awesome. I wanted to take color and again play with it. Here's the fun part. We're gonna take Blue's eyeliner, which is nice black and blue. And we're sweeping this under the lash line on the bottom. And we're gonna make it smoky. Take your pencil brush and just slightly diffuse that out. Blues is gonna go on top, right at the lash line. Take this blue hair called Into the Shadows. Same fluffy brush. Just a pinch on the tip. And we're gonna go back and forth, side to side, softening up the liner and pulling this blue into the center of the eye. Ooh, look at this color combination. Ooh, sultry, expensive, money. My favorite word, flat brush, into the well, underneath. On top of that liner, the blues. And back on top. Yes. I know what you're thinking, but beauty best friend, you didn't do the waterline. I have something else for that. It's coming. All right, now that we have this done, we're gonna add a little bit more of the dark room. Underneath. And above, right in the socket. Just to marry the blue and the dark room together. Chromographic pencil in NW25. I like it because it's more flesh tone and not your traditional white. That's gonna go in the inner waterline to make the eyes real bright and poppy. Chromographic eyeliner, waterline. Yes. It's so super subtle. Because you know, white eyeliner makes your eyes look real. Obviously it makes the eye appear bigger, but it makes it sometimes a little too much and too bright. And so this just gives you a fresh, like, yes, darling, I'm alert, I'm awake. Fresh eyes, bushy tail, yes. Almost like you got sleep, when you know. Life is real around these parts. Won't curl a lash, I know I love a good lash that's curled. Now this is the part where if you decide to do a false lash, go for it. But your beauty best friend over here is just gonna do a nice dose of mascara, darling. But I'm gonna use the false lash maximizer to really maximize my lash. Because I want the appearance of false lashes without the work of putting them on right now. And I love the maximizer because the maximizer gives you volume and length even before you put your mascara on, so it makes your mascara really shine. Volume and length. Y'all look at that length. We're gonna use in Extreme Dimension mascara in this jet black form to really pump up the volume and give me, again, that false lash appearance without me wearing a false lash. And I love that this mascara is so creamy. So you wanna put this on before the actual maximizer is dry, and still, but the maximizer still needs to be slightly damp. Before I do the bottom, I'm gonna do the top over here too. So between curling the lash and then the maximizer, this gives me nice volume. Now let's do the bottom. I'm gonna do just a pinch. I like to bounce it on the bottom so I don't get messy. And then comb through if you need to. Now y'all know I have a current obsession with a lovely young lady by the name of Tiana Taylor. So I've been using this, you've seen this in my other videos. It's a mask video, like we're gonna have our mouth covered, why not have a little bit of a highlight? And House of Petunia is my new forever highlight. And when I say forever highlight, that means I'm gonna be using this till the wheels fall off, till it's empty, because she's cute, honey. Fan brush, swirl, swirl, fix plus, missed opportunity. Swipe, swipe, swirl, swirl. Money, money, ow, ow. Tens across the boards. Yes. Come. Do y'all see this highlight on me? That's why I said this is my forever glow. I don't care. I'm using this until literally I can't use no more. Swirl. The opportunity. Oh my God, I got myself in the eye. That's how excited I am. The opportunity is missed. Oh, that's awesome. And I'm leaving it in the video. A little tap, 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 swipe. Yes. Swirl, swirl. Buff, buff, blend. Take it all, honey. Now, I know we were in a mask, but you know what? Why not continue to live life to its fullest? Save your tears, honey. From Tiana Taylor by MAC. That's going on my lips. Save your tears, honey. So, you know, once you get to your destination, you want to throw on your lip real quick after you take off your mask. This is your look, darling. Save your tears. Here's your honey masking bold eye. It's bold, it's regal, it's blue, it's violet, it's expensive. Where is my crown? Guys, I hope you like it. I hope you feel inspired to wear color. Most importantly, guys, you know what to do. If you like the video, leave me a comment, but don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, wear your mask and stay safe. Love you lots. Bye.